For this video, GLUIT sent over their adhesive wall hooks. These are perfect because there's no drilling, no nails, and there's a really strong adhesive on the back. Now I love the transparency of these ones, so that way when you do apply it on the wall, it's gonna blend right in. It does have a really strong hook on the front of here, and on the back it does have the film on there to protect the strong adhesive. Now these are really simple to put on your wall. You're just gonna take a little bit of rubbing alcohol, clean off the area where you wanna apply these, and then make sure the area is nice and dry. And then you're gonna take off the adhesive film and just put this on the wall, applying nice even pressure. Now for a really helpful tip, after you do apply this, you're gonna wanna keep it on there for 24 hours for the adhesive to stick really well on the surface that you put it on, and then you're good to go. Now I love using these as wall hooks on the front door just for my kids to be able to put their clothes, or in the wintertime, they're able to hang their winter gloves and jacket on here. It just makes it really nice and convenient. These would also be great in the garage, just keeping all your cords nice and organized, or you could actually throw some tools on here, just kind of hang your tools up. So if you are looking for some really nice adhesive wall hooks that are just really easy to apply onto the wall, there's no drilling necessary, these ones right here by GLUIT are a great choice. Thanks for watching.